Love is in the air. Do 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 do. Love is in the air. Why not make some delicious heart-shaped Valentine's Day cookies for someone you love this year? My favourite healthy cookies, you're going to need 150 grams of ground almonds, 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, a cookie cutter. For the topping, 50 grams of chocolate. Before we start anything, you need to remember to preheat your oven to a medium heat, 180 degrees C. I've got a gas camping stove. You can use whatever stove you've got at home. Let's melt the coconut oil in a bain-marie. This means you'll need a little bit of water in a saucepan and then a bowl with the coconut oil in. Let's put it on the heat. On a low heat. This will need to be on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the coconut oil is melted. Let's pour in the almond flour into the bowl. 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar.
1, 2, 3.
You can always add more if you like more sugar. Add the melted coconut oil in. Let's mix up this mixture. I'm going to mix them up with my hands as it is easier to do so. Then you can make it into a nice ball. This doesn't seem right. Could you tell me what's wrong with this? Is it going to make cookies? Or is it just too crumbly? This is what the mixture should look like once it is ready. So I've had to add an extra 2 tablespoons to my mixture. So that means you'll need 3.5 tablespoons. Let's shape these into hearts as much as we can. I've placed some baking paper underneath and put my almond, coconut oil and coconut sugar mixture on top. Let's put the sheet over the top, baking, and roll it out and keep turning it. Be careful, this is very, very delicate. We don't want to make them too flat. And then get your cookie cutter and cut them out and place them on the other side of your baking paper. Be very careful as these are so delicate. I have carefully slid the baking paper onto my baking tray. This requires a grown-up helper to help you so you don't lose any of the heart-shaped cookies. Let's put them in the oven for 15 minutes. Cookies, these are going to have chocolate on. I've got my stove, any stove will work. Let's make a bain-marie. You'll need a saucepan with a little bit of water in and then a bowl with the chocolate in. Let's put that on top and put the heat on for 3 to 5 minutes on low until the chocolate has melted. Let's decorate these cookies with my melted chocolate. Be careful, the chocolate can be hot. I'm going to do them in different methods. So this one's going to have half of it covered in chocolate on one side. Another one's going to have chocolate all over the top. It's going to have a little drizzle of chocolate. You can kind of just do it however you like. This one is going to be dunked both sides into the chocolate, so be very careful. Yep, that one's covered both sides with chocolate. Let's put this in the fridge for 10 minutes so the chocolate can harden. Here's my designs of all the cookies. Here are my finished heart cookies. Yes, they weren't perfect to make, but it doesn't really matter. Valentine's Day is all about the love and the effort you put into these things. Let's see how yours turn out.